Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to avoid late fees on our Klarna. I got a couple of tips on how you can avoid late fees on Klarna. So let's just get straight into it because it's gonna be a really quick one. Not much tips, but they are gonna be super useful. Now the first tip, of course, is to make payments on time. So the best way, the easiest way to avoid late fees is to simply make your payments on time. Now if you do that, obviously you're not going to have any fees to pay due to being late. Now the next tip is to set up automatic payments. Now it's always simple to make payments on time when you simply set up automatic payments. So once you have that done, you don't got to worry about making payments on time because that's going to be automatically done for you. So go ahead and set up automatic payments, and that's going to save you the fees on late payments. And also your monitor your payment schedule. So if you want to make payments, you got to know when those payments are due. So if you monitor your payment schedule, you're not going to miss a date in the future of your payments, and that way you don't get to incur any late fees. And lastly, contact Klarna if you're having trouble making a payment. So it could be that sometimes a fee is late, a payment is late, not because you don't have the money or not trying to make it, but for some reason the payment isn't going through, and up to the point where the time goes and you get to incur late fees. So just contact Klarna if you're having trouble making a payment, and they're gonna help you sort that out. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to avoid late fees on Klarna. There's a couple of tips I got for you guys. I hope you guys liked it. Hope you found it useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.